Looking for a dependable way to connect your printer, modem, or RS-232 serial, parallel device to a switchbox? This cable offers a straightforward solution with two DB25 male connectors wired pin-to-pin for flawless compatibility. That means no guesswork or wiring headaches, just plug and play. What sets this cable apart is its full wiring across all 25 lines, unlike many parallel cables that leave some pins disconnected. This ensures your device communicates smoothly without missing signals, which is crucial for complex setups like CNC machines or professional modems. Each cable is foil shielded to protect against ME and RFI interference, so you get a stable, noise-free connection every time. Plus, the fully molded design with thumbscrew connectors makes installation fast and secure. No slipping or loose contacts during operation. One user shared how this cable worked perfectly with a Mach 3 compatible CNC controller. Unlike other cables that limit functionality by skipping certain pins, this one supports every pin, making it versatile enough for demanding industrial or hobbyist applications. If you rely on precise data transfer and durable hardware, this cable gives you peace of mind. Its robust construction and full pin wiring mean fewer connection issues and less downtime, saving you time and frustration in the long run. Worth a look if you need a cable that handles all your -232 serial or parallel connections without compromise. The straightforward design and proven performance make it a solid choice for both professionals and tech enthusiasts. Ready to upgrade your connection setup? This Switchbox cable delivers reliable, interference-free performance with easy installation. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free device connectivity that just works.